Have you ever come across people who are always wild, frustrated, into depression, are so used to taking drugs, smoking, have financial issues? There is no inner peace. There is so much of frustration in them that the inner world is affected so much that it is affecting all the people around them. So, friends, did you notice what kind of belief do they have? Let's discover that. Stay tuned till the end of the audio to know about it. Hi friends, welcome to you all. So today is day 2 and I, Peenal Zaveri, is going to tell you about the second belief or mantra which we should follow and which is not going to affect us anymore in future. Did you notice all the problems which I mentioned before? Have you come across anybody who is facing this? Or have you come across yourself been faced by any of them? So let's discover which kind of belief do people have when they have such kind of problems. It is likely said, the day is new, but the stress is always old. And what kind of belief do people have in this? It is the belief which says, number 1, I am not enough. Second one, they are not enough. And the third one is, there is not enough. This is a very strong belief which majority of the people have around us, or maybe it is within us. So I would explain you a bit in detail about all the three. The first one, which is I am not enough. What does this belief say? It tells us that we want to be enough, but we don't know how to be enough. So, in that condition, we have an unwanted behavior which we show and we prove it to the world. Because we want to prove the world that we are very much enough. So, in this case, there is an example like you spend around 20 lakhs for a marriage for your son, but your capacity was only 5 to 10 lakhs. So, this you did, the extra 10 lakhs which you spent it was just to show your near and dear ones and your family, to prove it to them that you are capable of spending 20 lakhs. But the extra money which you paid over there is harming you. Why? Because that 10 lakh rupees which you are going to pay in future, or the burden which is going to be on your head, is not going to give you internal peace. It's going to make you frustrated when you will not be able to recover that money and pay it back. Maybe for the loan which you have taken it from the bank, or maybe for the amount you have borrowed it from someone. So with that guilt and with that frustration that you wanted to prove the world that yes, you were capable of paying that 20 lakhs, or you were capable of spending that 20 lakhs for the marriage, turns out to be a frustration and it turns out to be a stress for you. So in this case, you proved to others that you are enough, but actually you were not enough. Now, the second belief which says they are not enough. This is a belief which tells us that I am doing everything right, but my wife is not enough. She is wrong. My servant is not doing anything right. My employees in the office are not working properly. So in this case, we find that people around us are always wrong and you are the only one who is right. So in that case, we start treating people around us, maybe your staff or your family members or just a watchman or anybody, badly. And we try to find out fault in everyone who is around us. We try to scold them and treat them in a bad manner, which should not be. So this is the case when we have a belief that they are not enough. And the third belief which says there is not enough. Now when people have belief that there is not enough around them, in that case they fight for even 100 rupees because they want to have that. They want to quench that 100 rupees also. So in this thing, there are people which we also know and we are aware of, and we find such kind of people who fight for small things around us, who want that piece of land and fights with their family or with their brother, or they want to acquire some property or something or the other, which keeps on frustrating, and then they think that there is not enough around me, because they want to take more and more from people, and that turns out to be becoming greedy. So when you have a belief which says that there is not enough around us, we try to think that things become more valuable, more than money, or more than people. So when people are not being valued more and things become more and more important to us, the materialist things become more important, and you buy anything around you believing that I am not enough. Do you realize, friends, many times it happens that we turn to purchase a phone which is not a cup of our tea by spending maybe 85 to 90,000 for just a phone, which you are definitely going to change after 1 or 2 years. But you still purchase that phone just with a belief that I am enough to do it. But you are actually not enough. So the extra amount which you pay turns out to be an inner stress for you. So friends, did you realize which are the 3 beliefs which are there? I am not enough, you are not enough, there is not enough. Have you come across anybody around you who have such kind of beliefs, or have you been practicing any of these beliefs? So friends, I would like to tell you, whenever you take any decisions in your life, take a decision keeping in your mind with the belief that I am more than enough. There is more than enough, and they are more than enough. When you believe that these 3 things work, there will be magical around. You will start treating everybody so nicely, and there will not be any stress, there will not be any addiction. You will have good inner peace and a very successful life for your professional as well as personal life. Now friends, it is always believed that people who are really successful in their life, who have built a huge empire for their business, who are leaders, who are models where we follow them, are mentors, they have a belief which strongly says that there is more than enough. You are more than enough, and they are more than enough. So friends, for today, I have an assignment for you. The assignment is, can you please identify some of your beliefs where you lived with this belief system saying that there is not more than enough, and these things have affected you in your behavior, and how this belief has made your life difficult. If you get time, try to notice people around you who have lived with the belief which says there is more than enough, they are more than enough, and you are more than enough. When you figure this out, you will try to understand what is the difference between both the beliefs. So friends, everything is in abundance. Keep your eyes closed, reflect to what you hear, and be happy. I, Peenal, is going to sign off for now. Do subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends and family. Stay happy, stay fit. Thank you.